From darkness to light. Once upon a time, in a small town nestled between towering mountains and lush forests, there lived a young woman named Maya. Maya had always dreamed of bringing light and joy to her community. But the town had fallen into a state of darkness and despair. Poverty was rampant, resources were scarce, and hope seemed like a distant memory. Maya, however, refused to succumb to despair. Despite the challenging circumstances, she believed in the power of creativity to bring about positive change. With determination in her heart, Maya embarked on a mission to transform her town from a place of darkness to one filled with light and possibility. Armed with nothing but her imagination and passion for art, Maya began her journey. She gathered the children of the town and taught them to paint, draw, and express themselves through creativity. Despite the lack of proper materials, Maya found innovative ways to utilize recycled materials and natural resources to fuel their artistic endeavors. As the children painted colorful murals on the walls of abandoned buildings and created sculptures from discarded objects, something magical began to happen. The town slowly started to come alive with color and vibrancy. People passing by would stop to admire the artwork and share stories of hope and inspiration. Maya's creative work didn't stop there. She organized community cleanup days where residents came together to beautify their surroundings and plant gardens filled with flowers and herbs. With each act of creativity and collaboration, the town began to shed its darkness and embrace the light. Word of Maya's transformative efforts spread far and wide, attracting attention from neighboring towns and cities. Soon, volunteers from all walks of life began to pour in, offering their time, resources, and expertise to support Maya's vision. With the newfound sense of unity and purpose, the town flourished. Businesses thrived, schools reopened, and a sense of pride and belonging permeated every corner. Maya's creative work had not only transformed the physical landscape, but had also ignited a spark of hope and optimism in the hearts of its residents. Years passed, and Maya's once struggling town had become a beacon of creativity, resilience, and community spirit. People from far and wide would visit to witness the remarkable transformation and learn from Maya's example. And as Maya looked out at the town she had helped to rebuild, she knew that with creativity and determination, even the darkest of conditions could be overcome, and beauty could emerge from the most unexpected places.